In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team page in Wix. Creating a team page is a wonderful way to showcase the fantastic individuals behind your company or project. It allows your site visitors to learn more about the people who make things happen and fosters a personal connection between your team and your audience. Let's jump right in and get started. First, navigate to wix.com and log into your account. Once you've reached the Wix homepage, if you're not already logged in, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, enter your credentials, and you should be taken right to your account's dashboard. If you have multiple sites, you'll need to choose the correct one you want to work on. On your dashboard, find and click on Website Builder. This will take you to a list of projects associated with your account. Now, locate the site you want to edit and click on Select and Edit Site. This allows you to access the full list of editing tools necessary to customize and develop your site. Once you're in, click the Design Site button. This action opens up the main interface to personalize your Wix site. From here, you can make changes to the appearance and the structure of each page. You'll be redirected to the Wix website editor now. It's where the real magic happens. Find the Pages and Menu option, usually located on the left side panel. This menu lets you manage all the pages present on your website as you consider your current site structure and think about where the team page will best fit in your menu or navigation. To add a new page, click on Add Page. Wix will provide you several options, but for a clean slate, choose Blank Page. This will serve as the starting point to tailor the content specifically for your team. After clicking on Blank Page, a prompt will appear asking you to name your new page. Type in Team Page, or whatever name makes the most sense for your site, keeping in mind it should clearly convey the content to your visitors. Once you've named the page, click on Done to save your changes. You now have a dedicated space on your site for all things related to your team. From here, the design is entirely up to you, be it adding photos, bios, job titles, fun facts, or even links to social profiles. The template acts as an empty canvas for you to inject personality and provide insight into the individuals powering your operations. And that's it. You've successfully added a team page to your Wix site. Now it's time to populate it with content that will resonate with your visitors and make your team shine brightly.